Hello friends, this is Ranjit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in last video we discussed about the exam pattern and the syllabus of the exam, bank exam. So in this video we are going to discuss very interesting topic from quantitative aptitude, that is nothing but Vedic maths. So we all know friends, as far as maths is concerned, you should have a very good calculation speed. So I definitely guarantee you that Vedic maths will help you to speed up your calculation. So I will discuss all the possible tricks with you guys today in this session. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's begin the video without further delay. So friends, let's start our session. So friends, first of all, we should know what is Vedic maths. Vedic maths is a collection of techniques which helps to solve arithmetic operation in faster way. So in this session, I will show you how to multiply a 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit numbers with 11, and how to find square of any number which ends with unit digit 5, and after that we will learn how to find square root and cube root of any number without using pen and paper. So guys, I think you will find this video very interesting. So stay with me guys and watch this video till end. Let's see couple of more examples on this. So let me go with 4-digit number. So 4 9 6 3. So similarly, as I said before, what you have to do guys, write the unit digit here on their respective places. Now you have to add these numbers together. See, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So guys, please here you have to be very careful. We are getting carries, okay? Like 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 and the carry will add over here. Now when you add 9 plus 4, it is 13. So plus 1, 14, 4, and that carry will add here. So please look carefully guys, don't do any mistakes. You might get wrong answers if you don't add carry. So make sure you add carry whenever you get double digits while adding. So now write the answer: 3 9 5 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So is it clear guys? Let me tell you again, because it might, for some students it might be little confusing because we have carries over here. So first you have to write the unit digits on their respective places, then add these numbers together. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 5, 9 plus 6 is 15, so 5 here and carry 1. Now 9 plus 4 is 13 and add 1, that carry, that is 14, 4, and that 1 carry on top of 4. So now write it again: 3 9 5 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Is that clear guys? If you have any doubt, please comment, I will teach you again. And please cross check guys. If you think it is wrong answer, just go and check it once. So this is how you have to calculate, multiply any number with 11, whether it is 4-digit or 5-digit. So let's move on guys. So now I am going to show you how to find a square of any number that ends with unit digit 5. So it's really going to be fun guys. So for example, if you get a question like find the square of 15, what normal students, like beginners, what they used to do, they will they will write like this: 15 into 15, and then they will multiply it, then they will add it. So it's a kind of very long procedure guys, it will take too much time. So now I'm going to show you a very short trick, which will help you to solve this question within a second. Within 2 seconds you can easily find the square of this number guys. So let me tell you, but remember one thing guys, in this short trick you have to be very careful that, and note down this: whatever number it is, when it ends with 5, its square always ends in 25. Note down this guys, whatever number it is, whether it is 65, 25, 35, the number which ends with 5, its square always ends in 25. Now just you have to find the remaining numbers. How to find that? That's very easy, guys. Let me tell you. Can you see this number 1? What is the next number after 1? After 1, it is 2. Just multiply these two numbers. 1 into 2, that is 2. You can write it like that. So answer is 2 to 25. I hope guys you got it. No problem guys. Again I will teach you with one more example. For example guys, let me take a big number like 65. If I ask you the square of 65, you don't need to do anything. Just remember one thing. The number which ends with 5, its square always ends in 25. Now you have to find the remaining number. That's it. What is the next number after 6? That is 7. And what is 6 into 7? 42. So the answer is 4225. Is that fun guys? So guys, I don't think that you need a lot of practice for this. If you need a basic table, definitely you can solve this kind of problems. So let's move now to other topic. So now we have two more topic left. How to find a square root of any number and how to find a cube root of a number. So let's move on those things. So I hope guys you got this. So just practice a little more. You can easily solve this, because I don't think that there is a big deal with this problem. You just need because we know that 5 table is the easiest table, so you no need to worry about this thing more. So let's move on guys. So friends, let's move on. So now I'm going to show you how to find square root of any number. So friends, because I want to teach you specially this topic, because in quantitative aptitude we have one very important topic called simplification and approximation. In that you will definitely get questions from square root numbers. Like they will give expression, within that expression you will find some square root of big number, and that point of time you cannot go with traditional method to solve to find the square root of that number. So it is better to use short trick. So here I am going to show you how to find a square root of any number within a second or within a short time. So guys, let's move on. So I will teach you this thing with an example, or we will do couple of examples so that you can understand better. So let me take an example like 1 3 6 9. So if you want to find the square root of 1369, how can you solve this in a faster way? So guys, make sure before that, can you see a table over here? You have to memorize it. You don't have another option other than memorizing it, because guys, this is a very easy table. If you know the 6 square, what is 7 square, 8 square, if you know the table till 9, you can easily memorize this table guys, especially for the beginners. Whenever you solve this kind of questions, please make sure that you will write this table in a separate paper or wherever you feel comfortable, so that you can see and find this one. So friends, by using this table only we are going to solve this problem guys. So listen carefully, watch carefully what I am doing. Please, if it is possible, note down the steps so that you cannot forget. So guys, let's begin how we can solve this question. So guys, we have 1 3 6 9, right? So now what you have to do is see the unit digit of this number. So we have a unit digit 9. Similarly, you have to find this 9 in this table guys. So here comes when you use this table guys. So you have to find the 9 in this table. So where you will get 9 in this table? So guys, okay, we are getting in 3 table we are getting 9, and in 7 square we are getting 9, right? So we are getting 9 in 3 and 7, right guys? Now I hope it is clear. Now let's move to next step. So after finding this, you have to cut the number which is next to the unit digit. Is it clear? Am I clear, guys? So that's what you have to do. You have to cut the number which is next to the unit digit. So I cut the 6. So now we have remaining 13, right? So now what you have to do, by using this table, you have to see whether you will get 13 in this table or a number which is less than 13. So we are sure, we have a common sense like 13 is not a perfect square, so you won't get that number over here. Definitely you have to go for a number which is less than 13. So let's see which number is less than 13 over here. So 9 is less than 13. So 9 is the square of 3. So write again 3 here and 3 here, guys. So whenever you will find any square root, definitely you will get two numbers, guys. So but here you have to get only one answer. So it is not possible to have two numbers for one square root. So guys, we have to see for beginners, what they will do, like they will multiply both like 2 times so that they will get the answer. Guys, it's a very long process. Here comes what I taught you in last topic. We discussed how to find a square of any number which ends with 5. So here you have to use that trick, guys. So guys, we have two numbers 33 and 37. Take the middle number. For example, because we know how to find a square of any number which ends with 5. So let me take the middle number 35. So what is the square of 35? How I taught you how to find a square of any number which ends with 5. So it always ends in 25. And here we have 3. What is the next number after 3? That is 4. 4 3s are 12. That is 1 2 2 5. So guys, now what you have to do is, we have 1 2 2 5. Just check whether 1 2 2 5 is a greater than this number or smaller than this number. So since 1 2 2 5 is smaller number, definitely 37 is the answer, right? Just if it is confusing, let me tell you guys, you can see if the resultant number, if the middle number square is less than the problem, the greater number will be the answer. If it is greater, the smaller number will be the answer. I know, guys, it is little confusing, the process is little big, but if you do practice, definitely you can able to solve this. We will look many more examples so that you can understand it better, in a better manner. So let's go for another example. I will discuss 2 more examples with you guys. So try to understand it, because I know it's really confusing, but if you do more practice, definitely you can solve this, guys. So let's move to another example. So friends, let me teach you one more example. So let's take 4 6 2 4. So we have to find the square root of this number. So guys, as I told you before, what you have to do, you have to see the unit digit 4, right? So now you have to check where you will get 4. Sorry guys, this is 4, I think. I'm sorry for the mistake. Sometimes you used to do silly mistakes. I'm sorry. So let's move on. So 4 is there. So 4 is the unit digit. Now we have to see where you will get the 4 in this table. So here we are getting 4 in 2. 2 square is 4. And here 8 square is 64. So we are getting unit digit 4 in 8 square also. So you will write 2 and 8 here, right? So what is the next step? What I told you? Cut the number which is next to the unit digit. So you will cut the 2 here, right? So now we have 46. Now you have to see any number. You have to see whether this 46 exists in this table or any number which is less than that, not more than that, less than that. So we know 46 is not a perfect square, so there is no chance of getting 46 in this table. So we have to see a less number which is less than 46, a number which is less than 46. So I think yes, we got it. I think 36, which is less than 46. So 36 is the square of 6, so we will write 6 in front of these two things. Right guys, so now you are getting 62 and 68. So one is definitely among these two, only one is going to be the answer. So as I told you, don't multiply 62 and 68 like 62 into 62, 68 into 68 to get the answer, because it's a very long procedure. Instead of doing that, as I told you, take the middle number like 65. Take the common number 65 here. So what is the square of 65? As I told you, every number which ends with 5, its square also ends with 25. And what is the next number after 6? 7. So 6 7 is 42. 4225. Again guys, now you have to compare this number with this number guys. Right? Now 4225, compare 4225 with 4624. Right guys? So as you can see, 4225 is less than 4624. So definitely the answer will be 68. Obviously guys, because let me tell you something, if it is confusing, again note down, if this number is less than the question, you have to choose the greater number. If this number is more than the question, then you have to take the lesser number. So here our answer is 68 guys. Is this clear guys? Or don't worry guys, we will see one more question. So if I when I teach that question, definitely it will be, your doubts will be clear. So don't worry guys, it is only possible if you want to gain the speed, you have to do this. This is a very shortest trick. So I hope you understand. Do more practice, more number of questions like this, generally you can able to solve other questions also. So let me go with another example so that you could understand better. So let's move on. So friends, we will complete this topic with one more example. So we have one more example is 28009. Okay, fine guys. So as I told you, again see the unit digit 9. Now see where you will get 9. Again we will getting 9 in 3 and 7, because 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. So unit digits are 9 9. So we will write 3 and 7. Again cut the digit which is next to the unit digit over here. So we have 28 as a remaining number. Now we have to see whether you will get 28 in this table or less than 28. So we can see 28 is not a perfect square, so we have to look for a number which is less than 28. So 25 is less than 28. So 25 is the square of 5. So we'll write 5 here, 5 here. Now we got two numbers, but we have to choose one number from among these two. So how we can choose the correct number? Take the middle number 55. Okay, what is the square of 55? As I told you, 25, it ends with always 25. What is the next number after 5? 6. So 5 6 is 30, 3025. So guys, here you can see this number is greater than the question, right? As I told you, if the middle number square is greater than the question, then you have to choose a small one. So answer is 53. In case if this number is smaller than the question, then you have to choose the greater number. Right? It's a common sense guys. If it is like if 55 is 3025, definitely 53 will be less than this one only. 57 has to be greater than 3025. But we have a question 2809 which is less than 3025. Obviously the answer will be the smaller one only. So 53 is the answer guys. So I hope you understood it. If you don't understand it, please rewind and go back and see from the starting, and make sure you solve more number of questions so that you can understand it in a better manner. So practice is the main important thing friends, because without practice I don't think that you can solve this. So try to solve more number of questions so that you can easily understand. So this is all about square root guys. So now let's move to last topic, that is cube root of how to find a cube root of any number. So that is also a similar thing. So just try to correlate each both the things, because the same procedure what we are going to do in that topic also. But compared to this, cube root is very very easy, guys. So listen carefully. Let's move on to that section. So friends, let's move on to next topic, that is finding the cube root of any number. So in previous topic I taught you that how to find a square root of any number. So in this topic I will be teaching you how to find a cube root of any number. So guys, there is no big difference, same process you have to do whatever we did in last topic. So here also, but this one is really very easy. You won't get two numbers. Here you will get only one number, and directly that will be the answer, guys. So let me teach you how to find a cube root of any number with an example. So here also we will see 3 examples so that you can understand better. But make sure, guys, after watching this video, please practice more number of questions, then only you can able to solve questions in simplification and approximation. So make sure you will do more practice so that you can understand it better. So let's move on, guys. So let me teach you number like 1 2 1 6 7. So guys, here 1 2 1 6 7. So we have to find the cube root of this number. Similarly, guys, see the unit digit. So here we have 7. So see where you will get the unit digit 7. Only one number, guys, that is 3. 27 is a cube of 3. So write 3. Here in last topic, when we were finding square root, that time we used to cut one number which is used to be next to the unit digit. Here we have to cut two numbers, guys. So we'll cut 6 and 1, which is next to the unit digit 7. So we will cut 6 and 1. So in last session we used to cut only one number. In last topic we used to cut only one number which is used to be next to the this unit digit. Here we are, as far as cube root is concerned, you have to cut two numbers which is next to 7, right? So what we have remained, we have 12. Similarly, guys, what we did there, we have to see whether 12 exists in this table or not. I forgot to tell you something, guys. Here you have to write cube numbers, cube table, right? This you have to memorize this table. In previous topic we used to memorize square of the numbers. Here you have to remember cube of the numbers, like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 6 cube is 216 till 9. Okay, even it is 10 is easy. So till 10 you have to memorize the cube of all these numbers. So make sure that for beginners, please write these table separately in sheet, or if it is possible, wherever it is comfortable, just write this so that you can use this table to find the answer. So guys, so we got 3 because 7 is the unit digit and 7 exists in 3 cube. So we will write 3 here. So now we have, and after that we have to cut two numbers which is next to the unit digit. So we will cut 6 and 1. So after that 12 remains, right? So we have to see whether this 12 exists in this table. Definitely not, obviously 12 is not a perfect cube of any number. So we have to see a number which is less than 12. So here in this table, which number is less than 12? Of course 8, right? Even 1 is less, but you should not take 1 because you have to take a number which is close. So 8 is very close to 12 and it is less than 12, so you have to take 8. So 8 is a cube of which number? 2, right? So you will write 2. So answer is 23, guys. Very easy, right? In square root we used to get two numbers, and among those two numbers we have to choose by calculating, like we have to take the middle number. So we always used to take 5, which ends with 5. So it's a big procedure, but here if you want to find a cube root, it's very easy. In one single step we can easily find the answer, guys. So right, so again I will teach you. I think we no need to do 2 more examples. I think another example is enough. So let me go with one more example so that you can understand better. So so what we can take, okay, right? So guys, I think we will take one more example, like 1 7 2 8. So again we have to find the cube root of this number, guys. So what we can do, again guys, let's try. Just pause the video and try yourself, then only let me see that whether you can solve this question or not. Just pause the video and solve this question. So guys, what can we, how we have to solve this question? See the unit digit, we have 8. See from where we will get 8 here. See guys, can you see in this table? Yes, we are getting 8 and 2, right? So we will write 2 here. Am I right guys? Yes. So after that, what we have to do? Cut the 2 numbers which is next to the unit digit. So what is remaining guys? 1. So we have to find whether 1 is there in the table. Yes, if of course it is there. 1 cube is 1. So we will write 1 here. So our answer is 12 guys. See how easy it is. Now what you have to do is practice guys, practice. Before practicing cube root, please make sure that you get perfect in square root guys, because square root is very square root is little complicated, so you might get confusion. So do more practice with square root guys. So once you get a square, once you able to solve square root, then you can easily find the cube root guys. So you don't need to be worried about this. So just go for square root. So and practice whatever I taught you today, whatever you learned in this session today. Just practice it a lot, as much as you can. Then only you can able to solve other questions also, because these are some basic things which you are going to apply in upcoming topics like simplification, approximation in DI. So there you cannot go with traditional method, because as far as bank exam is concerned, time management is really important. So you have, at least you should be able to solve one question within like 30 seconds or 20 seconds. So you cannot take more time. So guys, I think this Vedic math is really going to help. If it is possible, I will make more Vedic maths video so that you can easily understand and solve more number of questions within short period of time. So let's see guys, I think that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and whatever I taught you guys, please go and practice it regularly. And very soon I will come up with my new video, and in that video we will learn something new. So until then, bye, take care, see you. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel, and make sure you share this video with your friends so that they can also learn it. Thank you so much guys. See you in next video.